Welcome to part 2 of Alabama Small Town Justice. Last episode, we showed you the indictment that lied. This time, we pull back the curtain. Because when the evidence didn't match the charge, the state didn't back off. They doubled down on a theory no one was prepared for. This was supposed to be a murder trial. But when the evidence proved she shot herself, instead of dropping the case, the state flipped it. They called it reckless manslaughter based on a suicide theory. But here's the problem. Jason was never accused of causing a suicide. He wasn't indicted for it. He didn't defend against it. And the state? They didn't even argue for it. One explained how Jason supposedly caused a suicide. No analysis, just a theory and a feeling. But Alabama already has a law for that. It's called criminal liability for the conduct of another. And it's written into the books as Alabama Code 13A 222. That law says if you're going to convict someone for what another person did, you have to prove they caused it, on purpose. You have to prove they intended it. You don't get there by speculation. You don't get there with a theory that changes after the trial ends. Jason wasn't indicted under that law. He wasn't tried under that law. And the jury was never told it even existed. But somehow, he got convicted anyway. In law, that's called trial by ambush. But in Alabama, it passed as a conviction. Not because they proved anything, but because they offered a theory and let the jury fill in the blanks. Next time, we show you how the judge's instructions didn't fix it. They made it worse. How the law, the facts, and the defense all failed to catch the switch. And why this jury never stood a chance. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and comment. Check out the website thishappendinalabama.com.